Welcome back. We have Mr. Adhia of Atul Auto who's back with us. Mr. Adhia, hope I'm audible this time around. Well, we're just making that point. The first quarter was a washout because of technical reasons. But how do you see your sales volume pan out from year on? On a monthly basis, they've recovered. So you see it recovering to what level? And by the end of the year, how much better can you be this year in comparison to last year when you did 25,500 units?
See, if you look at, Atul Auto's product profile, we have a battery over diesel 3 which still continues. And I expect that by end of the year, we will be able to just, recover whatever we have lost during quarter one. If you look at pre-COVID level, Atul Auto used to do somewhere close to between 3,500 and 4,000 vehicles, which we expect that gradually our first milestone would be to recover that volume, and post that, obviously, since we have set up another plant, greenfield expansion, we expect that we will be able to utilize our capacity in a much better way. Along with this, we are now getting into L5 category EV as well. We are awaiting for FEM2 certification, which is expected anytime.
Right.
Along with that, another good news, our new petrol 3-wheeler, which has been developed during COVID period, has been well received in export market as well. So we expect that there will be, growth from all the directions, since domestic environment.
All right, Mr. Adhia. Yes, we understand that there will be growth from all directions. So let's keep it very simple. Last year, you did 25,500 units, roughly that much. This year, for the period so far, you've done close to around 5,200 units. Where do you end this year with in terms of overall units? That's point number one. Secondly, how many EVs do you intend to sell this year and the next? And the third one is exports. How many vehicles do you expect to export this year? So overall volumes this year, EV sales this year, and exports this year.
If you look at our obviously target is to surpass the predictions, which is approximately 3-wheeler industry is likely to attain 30% growth. Unfortunately, we lost first quarter. Our attempt would be to definitely put good numbers and would like to outperform the industry. Let us see another next 2 months how it's going to move up. I think I will be able to give you some clarity post quarter 2. About EV, we are already selling close to 500, 600 numbers on a monthly basis, where we expect almost 20% growth in this fiscal. About export, we are still into seeding phase, though our normal volume on monthly basis is somewhere close to 250, 300. So all in all, we would definitely try to exceed 30,000 numbers. At the same time, we would like to put up good numbers for export and EV. L5 category, I am still not giving any predictions for one simple reason. We are awaiting for FEM2 certification. Once that is being done, I think we will have more clarity on our business plan.
So for the end of this year, just to get it right, you'll do more than 30,000 units is your plan, right?
That is what we estimate, and we would like to attempt that number.
That all inclusive?
Not all inclusive. L5 I have kept pending because we are still awaiting FEM2 certification.
No, okay. No, what I mean is it includes the EV sales as well, which you're saying that you're doing around 500 units.
Yes, my friend. EV, there are two different categories, L3 as well as L5. Right? Yeah. L3 we are selling, which is somewhere close to 500 numbers on a monthly basis, where we expect some good, decent growth in a time to come. Whereas L5 category, we are yet to project the numbers.
That'll be a tall ask, right, Mr. Adhia, because you've done around 5,000 units for the first few months. Remaining 8 months, on an average, for you to do 30,000, you have to do around 3,500 to 4,000 units per month, which is your pre-COVID levels, which you believe will come only gradually. So I presume that you would probably at best end this year around 26,000, 27,000 units if everything goes well, right?
I expect some better volume because we are yet to attain festival season. Always there is, some Q1 and on account of that low volume, obviously our projections were also low. Let us see how, that is why I say let us end the quarter 2 and we will have better clarity.
All right, Ms. Adhia, at what level do you break even? In the last quarter, you had negative margins because obviously you sold only around 1,000 units per month. Now you're saying that you'll gradually move towards 3,000, 3,500, 4,000 units per month. What is the break-even point, sir? 2,500, 2,000, if you could give us a rough number?
Roughly, that is somewhere close to 2,500 vehicles on a monthly basis.
3,000, sorry, what do you say? How many vehicles?
2,500 vehicles
2,500.
on a month.
Okay.
Okay, so 2,500.
Would like to refrain here because we have to see it in a yearly basis on very simple note.
Got it.
There are certain fixed expenditure which we need to cover it up, and based on a single month or quarter, it would not be correct to give any break-even numbers on a monthly yearly volume. Definitely, we do it somewhere close to 18,000-20,000 units, and let us see with all economic measures.
Got it, Ms. Adhia. We got that. It's a difficult business, but you're running it, and we appreciate you joining in and giving us your inputs. We look forward to having a chat with you, say, in a couple of months, so we can understand how things are progressing.